wrap the top of the mushroom from getting marred by the wrench. Get your new gasket and your new mushroom. The lever. You unscrew the knob, which allows it to slide off. Tighten this up on there. Take another piece of tape. Wrap it around. Tighten. You don't have to go crazy tight, just snug. Let me get that off. You're going to make sure this is all the way off. Yeah, so you're going to turn it all the way off, which is clockwise. Put it on, and then tighten it up to lock it in place. That's it. Now we take the 5mm Allen wrench and screw here. Get the Teflon seal. I take it out and I install it on the gauge on the back side. And I take the Teflon tape. Quite a few wraps to help form a nice gasket. And this only has to be finger tight too, or snug. Lock it into place. There you go. Tape. Let's see, there we go. And take the wrench. Remove the valve, remove the spring along with the sleeve. Take the new spring, new sleeve. It's got a higher tension. Okay. I can tell by just looking at it. And I can feel it now.
Much harder to install.
Yeah, because of the tension. You can edit out my hairy hands too.
Didn't even notice it.